Herman, what are you doing here today? We're not supposed to meet up today.
Oh, hello there, Ernest.
So anything new with you today?
No, same old,
Yeah,
but the weather's perfect.
yeah.
You know,
What?
you might like to go for a nice walk. A nice long walk away from here.
Oh my gosh, my hip is killing me. You know I got a bad hip. No. I think I'd rather just stay here and rest for a bit. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
You're gonna stay here?
Well, I'm gonna wait a little bit.
Wait?
Not so much wait. Maybe rest. I gotta rest. It's a long walk over here. It's a very long walk.
I see.
Yeah. So why you here? It's not Wednesday.
You know, I have a confession.
A confession.
Yes.
A confession.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm actually here to see a hot chick.
Really?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I have a small little confession myself.
What's that?
I too am here for a hot chick.
What?
Yes, a hot chick. She's a nice foxy thing.
Well, hot diggity, we're nothing but a bunch of hound dogs.
Yo.
So, how did you meet her?
Well, I met her through that thing with the typing, the internet.
The interwebs.
The interwebs.
Yes.
That's it. Yeah.
Oh, me too.
Yeah.
WeAreLovebirds.com.
Mine likes to take long walks through the park and also likes bingo. Oh.
Well, mine likes to take long walks through the park and bingo and scuba diving.
But mine likes skydiving, scuba diving, bingo, and she says she wants to play with my shuffleboard.
What?
Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah, I
What?
thought you liked that.
Well, my lady told me to meet her here with my cage to go with her cage.
Well, I told my woman to come here with her cage, and I also told her that a cage is a symbol of love. Do you play bingo?
Don't tempt me.